Oh, I got first. Huh? I think someone going now, but they're not.
Oh. You're a troublemaker.
They should be the ones who sit up first. I was the one who said I got first shift.
Do you want to go, Adrian?
Oh, you go. You're gonna go, huh?
Yeah. Adrian, do you want to go? But you can either go next round or next round. Why don't you go? I'll go next round. Okay. Yeah, you can go both. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, shit.
When he was in and when he pushed in.
You got it on tape!
All right, Adrian, apparently you can't go both times.
Did you get that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
That's our Christmas video right there.
I want to see it.
I was trying to do this for you. Oh. Oh, I got it now.
Instead, you did stuff for us.
Use my language now. Oh, you're that's the least of them. Yeah, that's...
All right, show me the video, because that was funny.
We're going to see the finish of it first.
AFV. AFV. Oh, yeah, definitely. Oh, we are totally putting that on AFV. They don't even air that show anymore.
I'm going to post it on Hiram's website. That's what I'm doing.
Post it on MySpace. Put it on big billboards.
I'm going to try it again here shortly.
I missed it.
Oh, that was so funny.
Looking good, Jane.